How is everybody doing? It's the Wicked Explorers here. We are still on hiatus if you're watching this video. The baby has been born. When we're recording this, the baby has still not been born yet. It is December 3rd at this point, so we're waiting. So here's some classics here. This next one is going back to the Super Bowl. Super Bowl 46 in Indianapolis. Patriots versus Giants, second meeting of the two. It's just February of 2012. This is where I went to the first Super Bowl I've ever been to. Check this out. It's a real short one, but some pictures of the Super Bowl. The Pats, unfortunately, did lose during the Super Bowl, but it was still a good time anyways. And yeah, if you like it, let us know. If you have any comments or anything you want to share with us, put it down below too. And we'll see you guys soon. Thanks. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed Super Bowl 46, February 2012, Pats vs. Giants, my first time there. If you guys like these videos, please hit subscribe, and if you want to get alerted every time we have new ones, basically just hit the little alarm button right there, nice and easy, right? We promise we will be having some new material coming soon. I guess this is all new material for you, but some new adventures soon. But stay with us, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.